It sounds so good stock.
Could be way better.
Man, you can be like a single man living in Old Town. You can just take out a bunch of chicks to all these cute restaurants. Home run.
Yep.
Oh, man. Jesus. You can go to a new restaurant every day of the week, and no one would even recognize you. All good.
Yep. And, well, you'd have to like Mexican food.
I do love Mexican.
Oh, well then, there you go.
I'm practically Mexican, dude. I go to TJ like
Oh, that's
every week.
that's right. You fucking go get your teeth cleaned in Mexico.
Yeah, that's right.
They still give out cocaine for anesthesia?
well, here's the thing. The practice that I go to, they have their own practice here in the U.S.
Yeah.
And they switch back and forth.
Yeah.
And their prices in TJ are slightly cheaper, so you know that's why I go there.
Smart. So pretty over here.
We can ride around Fiesta Island if you want.
Okay, that works.
Dude, San Diego is such a beautiful place. My goodness.
Yep, we're spoiled.
So lucky to be here, dude. Like, when I started working downtown, that was like, I don't know, man. Something about downtown, I've always wanted to live and work in downtown. Ever since I was a kid, I'm not sure. And then when my dreams finally came true, you know,
Yep.
you know, I was like walking around downtown, and the first music that I played while I was walking was that Vanessa Carlton's 1,000 Miles song. She was like, make no way, man.
Is that your song?
Might be one of my favorite songs.
Have you ever ridden around here? Or?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
When I first got my bike, I was trying to learn how to ride it better. Don't do it, fuck. I was trying to learn how to ride it better, and I was riding around through here taking pictures and shit.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's cool. I like this view.
That's beautiful. I haven't really rode it at sunset before.
Yeah, I haven't been here for a while.
Yeah.
Probably like a year ago I rode through here.
There you go. That looks like fun. Oh shit.
I think I've been here once. Yeah, I can't believe how I haven't been in this area for like a year, dude. Like right around here.
Oh really?
Yeah, it's so nice.
Yeah, it's kind of, I like living over here too, because there's so much like little like areas, like if I want to go on a short ride or whatever, I just like go like down here to OB or wherever.
Yeah, that's true. Mission Bay is right here.
Yep.
Bro.
I gave him the peace sign. He didn't fucking do anything.
Fuck that guy. I hate him.
I can't wait for the day that I come out of that light and I'm drifting it.
Oh man.
How crazy would that be to like watch a Harley just fucking drift? Just
Holy shit.
that'd be badass.
That'd be fucking sick.
Alright, man.
I think, yeah. Alright, then, hey. Good
Yep.
stuff, man. Let me know how it goes.
Okay. Oh yeah, I'll send you a video clip if it's cool.
Sounds good, man. Yeah, dude. Have a good week. Or have a good weekend. Enjoy your week, dude.
Oh, you too.
I gotta stop fully. There's a cop, you know? 3-second stop.
Yep, look both ways.
See you, man.
Later, man. So I just took you on a quick ride with my buddy, Russell Rides. We're doing a little test with using the Tascam and a breakout cable to basically pick up audio from the Cardo and my internal mic in my helmet. Solely using just the Tascam for an audio source. So I hope it turned out alright. My buddy Russell is starting his own YouTube channel, so once he gets that up and running, go send him a follow or subscribe to him. But as always, guys, thank you for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it, and catch you on the flip side.